Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You may also need a soft cloth to clean any dust inside the vacuum. Let's get started. 1. Preparation *. Before you begin, make sure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Lay it on a flat surface for easy access. 2. Remove the battery *. Start by locating the battery compartment. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery. Gently pull the battery out and set it aside. 3. Access the motor housing *. Next, you will need to remove the main body of the vacuum. Look for screws that hold the motor housing in place. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Disconnect the wires * once the screws are out. Gently pull off the motor housing. You will see the motor connected by wires. Use your pliers to carefully disconnect these wires. Remember to take note of where each wire connects for reassembly. 5. Remove the old motor * with the wires disconnected. You can now remove the old motor. This might require some gentle prying with your flathead screwdriver, but be careful not to damage the surrounding components. 6. Clean the interior * before installing the new motor. Take a moment to clean the interior of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. A clean workspace ensures better performance. 7. Install the new motor *. Now it's time to install your new motor. Align it correctly and push it into place. Reconnect the wires according to your notes from earlier. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. 8. Reassemble the vacuum *. Once the new motor is in place and the wires are connected, it's time to reattach the motor housing. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure. 9. Reattach the battery *. Don't forget to put the battery back in its compartment. Secure it with the screws you removed at the start. 10. Final checks * before plugging in your vacuum. Double check that all screws are tightened and nothing is loose. If you're not comfortable with this process, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to deal with the hassle of calls or travel. 11. Test your vacuum *. Finally, plug in your vacuum and turn it on. Ensure that it runs smoothly and efficiently. If everything is working well, congratulations on your successful motor replacement. If you need any assistance, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost up front without any surprises. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.